This is stock number J5235. This is a 2009 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter crew cab short box. Bridgestone tires with 60 to 70% of the tread left. Painted alloy rims. Color is black. Paint very clean and reflective. No dings or dents. Back tires, just as much tread as the front. Wheel well covers. Frame very clean, as well as the underbody. Tailgate, very clean as well. No chips. And the bed, extremely clean. This side just as clean and reflective as the other side. In the LT2 package, you get the black interior, black leather seats, very clean, no rips or tears, and they're power seats. Seats are heated as well. And this truck has 32,575 miles. CD player, as well as OnStar and a moonroof. Headliner very clean, along with the passenger side. Back seats just as clean as the front. No rips or tears. And seats do lift up. Now we'll start her up. Hood very clean as well. Engine bay, very clean. Sounds great and it runs smooth. To see this truck or more trucks, please visit lensauto.com.